Hi, I'm Matt Morris, and I'm the product manager for Trimble Terra Office. Today I'd like to spend a few minutes showing you our newest product within Terra Office, the Terra Office Exporter. This standalone desktop utility can be used to generate exports from data collected in TerraFlex, all from the convenience of a desktop application. It supports both GIS and CAD formats. Let's take a look. So here I have my Trimble Terra Office Exporter window running on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click to sign in with my Trimble identity. You must have a license of Terra Office Basic or higher in order to use the exporter. Once this signs in, I'll see a list of the Trimble Connect projects that I have access to, from which I can pick one, and within that Connect project, get a list of all the TerraFlex projects or map workspaces that I want to work with. If I want to include archive workspaces, I can use this checkbox here. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, Feature Code Work 01. So the next item here is some control over what forms I want to download or include in my export. I have a control over some date ranges. If I only want to include forms that were collected or updated in the last number of days, I can use that. I can also control if I want to include forms which were not already previously exported or marked as exported, and that's this checkbox here. The next option is picking what export format I want. At this release, the supported formats are shapefiles, GeoJSON files, CSV files, DDBG, and DXF, version R10 with blocks. If you want your CAD files to have the attributes and feature blocks, you'd pick the DXF option. For this first demo, I'll just pick shapefiles, and then I'm going to pick a folder where I want this saved. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the exporter folder, and I'm going to click export. I did not choose the checkbox here to say mark the forms as exported, but I could if I wanted to utilize that the way you would through Map Viewer or the Terra Office add-ins. So now I see here in my window, here are all the files, the shape files generated from that project. Okay, so now let's say I want a CAD format. So I'm going to go ahead and pick DWG, and I'm going to go to that same folder, and I'm going to say DWG export. Go ahead and click export, and it's going to tell me it's successful. Now over here, I see my DWG file. So let's go ahead and open that and see what that looks like in AutoCAD. All right, so I have AutoCAD open here. Go ahead and click the top view, and there's my data with the long line features that I had streamed along with point features. And that is the Trimble Terra Office Exporter. Thanks for listening.